Hey, have you ever double booked an appointment? I sort of did that. We here at Venture Call have planned for months to do a entrepreneurship workshop, and lo and behold, it's on Father's Day. Starts Father's Day afternoon. So I got to thinking about that, and for all the folks that are business owners, or you want to start up your own business, or you have a hobby and you're trying to think about what can I do to bring it to fruition, uh, this is a terrific time to be able to get together with some other folks who are actually dreamers slash doers. And so I'd like to offer, in light of my own mistake, a twofer. So if two of you want to come for the price of one on starting on this Father's Day and come to winning the right customer, and it's not just about customer acquisition, but it's also about building the foundation, knowing what the next steps are in your business or your dream development. So take a look at my website, venturecall.com, right on the home page, and see if it's something that you'd be interested in doing. I'd be happy to have you bring a friend and both of you come for the price of one. Hope to hear from you. Mike, we're signing out.